जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए,
बच्चों की
और अगर सरकार उनको कहेगी कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
Hello student, there is another important topic and the topic is related to the specific performance of contract. आज के इस टॉपिक में हम बात करेंगे कि important term, the important term is readiness and willingness. As a student of law, we always know कि whenever any plaintiff wants to take the remedy of a specific performance, he is to prove two terms. One that is readiness, other that is willingness. But the question is, just imagine if there is a suit has been filed by the plaintiff and during trial he did not present himself in the court of law, right? And when the question come, who is going to prove readiness and willingness? As we know, to prove readiness and willingness is a precondition to seek the remedy of a specific performance for the sake of plaintiff. Now the question is, the plaintiff is to prove his readiness and willingness to perform his own obligation if he wants to claim a specific performance. In place of himself, he allowed his power of attorney person who is holding all the powers conferred to him through power of attorney. He went to the court, he presented himself and proved that the plaintiff was always ready and willing to perform the contract. So there was a question. Is it necessary that the plaintiff himself must come to the court and to prove that he was always ready and willing to perform the contract? Or it is a substitute that in case plaintiff is not available, any person being his agent or person holding power of attorney can prove the same facts on behalf of plaintiff. So see, now we are discussing this latest judgment of Supreme Court, which is Vijay Kumar versus Anand Kumar 2024. इस जजमेंट में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफाई करा कि रेडीनेस और विलिंगनेस इज something which is always within the personal domain of the plaintiff. Just imagine if the plaintiff is not there. So is it possible कि उसकी जगह पर जो पर्सन पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी होल्ड करता है वो इस फैक्ट को प्रूव करे? बिकॉज अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप कोर्ट में कहो कि फुल होल ड्यूरेशन मैंने अपनी रेडीनेस और विलिंगनेस शो करी, तो ये एक ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन है जो हमेशा पर्सनल नॉलेज पे होती है प्लेंटिफ के. So even though the person holding power of attorney moves to the court to prove this fact is not justiciable. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि जब कभी भी किसी भी प्लेंट में आप स्पेसिफिक परफॉर्मेंस की रेमेडी मांग रहे हो तो आपको 3 चीज़ें हैं जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट तरीके से आपको प्रूव करनी है. नंबर फर्स्ट, देयर मस्ट बी अ वैलिड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, राइट. सेकेंड थिंग इज that defendant has committed breach of contract, and the third one is that plaintiff has always been ready and willing. So there was a proof किस बात का आपको देना है कि plaintiff हमेशा ready और willing रहा. इस फैक्ट के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि प्लेंटिफ को खुद से कोर्ट में आना पड़ेगा और उसको अपनी ये पर्सनल नॉलेज को कोर्ट में प्रूव करना होगा. आप किसी भी एजेंट या पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी होल्डर्स के थ्रू इस बात को कोर्ट में नहीं रख सकते. If any person in behalf of the plaintiff moves to the court and said that the plaintiff was always ready and willing, it will not be considered that it is proof for the sake of plaintiff. So I hope that you got my point that in the case of Vijay Kumar versus Anand Kumar, Supreme Court settled down position that readiness and willingness must be proved by the plaintiff himself to seek remedy of a specific performance. The same observation is to be taken into consideration with section 16 clause C of a specific relief act. This is all. Thanks for watching this video.
Subscribe for more content.